Hello, everyone. So, traditional medicine can generally be grouped into three major groups, namely medicines made from plants known as imiti, medicines made from animals known as izinyamazane, and medicines made from minerals, which are known as Umkhando. Umkhando is the plural term, while Umkhando is the singular term. The term imikando is often confused to mean powdered synthetic material or to describe finely ground Indian powder. However, the term actually means ore. Ore is a naturally occurring rock that contains one or more valuable minerals, such as a metal. Ore is mined from underground, processed above ground, and sold for profit. The different types of ore, with each type containing different types of minerals. Chromite is one of the most commercially valuable ores, and it is the only ore of chromium, a hard white metallic element with a chemical symbol Cr. Chromium is used to make stainless steel and other types of alloy. Chromite ore is also used to make a type of mineral-based medicine that is sold in the South African traditional medicine and goes by the name Indonya. Indonya is a mineral-based medicine made from the oxide mineral named chromite. It is scientifically known as potassium dichromate and has the chemical formula K2Cr2O7. Indonya is an odorless, crystalline ionic solid that is bright orange red in color. It has a specific gravity of 2.67, a melting point of 398 degrees Celsius, and it is readily soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Indonya is both a naturally occurring compound and a synthetic or man-made compound. Indonya occurs naturally as lopezite, a rare chromite mineral that is red in color with a chemical formula K2Cr2O7. Lopezite occurs as rare Vogue fillings in the nitrate deposits found in the Bushveld igneous complex. The Bushveld igneous complex is a large layered igneous intrusion within the Earth's crust located in South Africa. Indonya can also be manufactured using a multi-step process that begins with heating finely powdered chromite ore with anhydrous sodium carbonate in a reverberatory furnace. This reaction results in the formation of sodium chromate, iron ore, and carbon dioxide. The sodium chromate is then extracted with water and treated with sulfuric acid to form sodium dichromate, sodium chloride, and hydrated sulfate. Adding potassium chloride to sodium dichromate results in precipitation of an orange-red potassium dichromate known as Indonya. Please note that all hexavalent chromium compounds, including potassium dichromate or Indonya, are considered acutely and chronically harmful or fatal to health, especially when swallowed undiluted. Potassium dichromate may be primarily toxic to kidneys, and when in contact with the skin, especially breaks in the skin, it can cause things like skin ulcer. To make potassium dichromate usable and not toxic to the liver, it is often preheated with curcumin, a polyphenol derived from turmeric with antioxidant properties. In many ways, Indonya is very similar to manyazine or potassium permanganate. Both manyazine and Indonya are strong oxidizing agents, with manyazine being a milder agent. Both are used as an astringent agent. Both are used as antibacterial agents. Both are used as deodorants. Both are used as disinfectant for cleaning. Both are used as dye. Industrially, Indonya is used to make a type of alum known as potassium chrome alum. It is used as a bleaching agent for leather tanning. Indonya is a deliquescent substance. It absorbs water from the surrounding air and dissolves into a liquid. Hence, it is used as a desiccant, which is a material that is used to maintain a state of dryness. Indonya is also used to treat certain types of wood. For example, it is used to treat mahogany wood. In traditional medicine, Indonya is used as a cauterizing agent, i.e., it is a chemical that burns or dissolves tissue, which is used to kill certain types of small tumors or to stop bleeding. It is used as an antiperspirant agent and used to make antiperspirant food powder. Indonya is used as a purgative. It is used as an emetic. It is used also to make tonics. It is effective at treating phlegm and other respiratory passage conditions involving profuse, stringy, tenacious mucus and tracheal secretions. It is also used to treat sleep disorders such as insomnia, restlessness, sleepwalking, nightmares, and night terrors. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll add more uses in the blog, and you can visit the blog on the imitiasintu.co.za website. Thank you so much for listening. Stay blessed and bye.